Okay, good morning, grade 6. Today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 3, measures of center. We skipped lesson 2, guys. So lesson 2 is not wanted from you. So in this module, the lessons which are wanted from you, lesson 1, which is the statistical questions, and lesson 3, which is we'll do it today and in the next day, inshallah. So today we'll take lesson 3, page 549, measures of center. Now, I'll start with the directly, okay? And don't forget that in the previous lesson, guys, we took statistical question. We said, if you want to survey, make survey to collect data, so you will ask statistical question for a group of people, then you collect your data. And for example, here, if you have these marks in your tests, for example, in the English, you have 24 out of 25, in Arabic, 25, in science, 23, in math, 17. And you wanted to find the average of these marks, the average. The average means the mean. So the mean, we call it measure of center, means the mark which is in the middle of these numbers or of these marks. To find the mean or the average, you can add the numbers. First, you add the numbers 24 plus 25 plus 23 plus 17. Then you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide by 4. So first step, guys, to find the mean, you add the numbers, then you count the numbers and divide on it. Now you add and divide normally. So this is equal. You add and divide normally. 20, 20, 20, 20 10, 20, 40, 60, 70, 79, 82, 91. 91 divided by 4. 91 divided by 4. Now we make long division normal. 91 divided by 4. It is 2. 2 by 4, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 1. Also 2. 2 by 4, 8. Subtract 3. It's 22.75. 22.75. So to find the mean for a group of numbers, guys, or set of numbers or values, and the mean, it is measure of center. When I say measure of center, means the mean, it is in the center of these points, at the middle, exactly at the middle. So you add the numbers up, count the numbers, and divide. So in general, what is the formula for the mean? The mean equal the sum. When I say the sum, means you will add the numbers and find the answers. The sum of the values over the number of the values. The mean equal sum of the values over the number of the values. This is how we find the mean. The mean, okay? Now, for example, find the mean for the following set of values. Find the mean for the following set of values. We have these values and we want to find the mean. Now, we said that the mean, it is the same of the average. When I say average or mean, it is the same. So the mean equal, you add the numbers, 86 plus 90 plus 72 plus 88. Then you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide. Add the numbers 86, 70, 72, sorry, 90, this one, 72 and 88, and add normally. You have 8, 8, 16, 18, 25, 33. 336, you divided it by 4. Now make long division or normal division. 336 divided by 4 is 336 divided by 4, it is 8, 32, subtract 1, 6, 4. So the answer, 84. So the average of these numbers, which is the mean, is 84. This is how we find the mean, guys. So to find the mean for a group of numbers, you add the numbers, count, then divide. Sum of the values divided by number of the values. This is how you find the mean. Let's take example 1 together, page 550. Example 1, page 550. Yanal, read Yanal.
Yes, mister.
Example 1. Do you understand the mean, Yanal?
Yeah, I understand it.
Yeah, go to example 1, page 550. All of you go there, guys. Let's read example 1. Yeah.
The table shows the recorded high temperatures in degree Fahrenheit for 6 days in Little Rock, Arkansas.
Good.
Find, I read the question.
Find what? Yes.
Find the mean temperature to summarize the data.
What are the temperatures in the table, Yanal? We have
45,
45, 52.
45, 50, 49, 47.
These are the degrees, guys, which are in the table for 6 days in row for a city in USA, okay? And the question wants us to find the mean temperature, the mean temperature. So what's the mean equal, Yanal?
288.
How we find it? How we find it?
Them. We add them
add
all
the numbers. We add the numbers, guys, up. 45 plus 52 plus 45 plus 50 plus 49 plus 47. Divided by what, Yanar?
By 6.
By 6, which is the number of the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we divide by 6. Now, if you add up, what's the answer up?
288. I use my calculator.
288 divided by 6 and make long division. Use your calculator. What's the answer?
Okay.
288 divided by 6 is?
48.
48?
Yep.
48. 48 what, guys? The unit of the mean is the same unit in the question. In the question, these are temperatures with degree, right? So it is degree temperature. Okay, so to find the mean, guys, simply you add the numbers, count the numbers, and divide. This is example 1. Let's do the check after example 1. We have checked page 551, guys. Let's do it together.
Okay.
The other Yanal.
Okay. Yes, mister.
Yalla, check page 551, Yabni, read.
Okay. The table shows the number of headphones
علي لي صوتك حبيبي يا قلبي علي صوتك علي صوتك.
The table shows the number of headphones sold at an electronics store during a sale. Find the mean number of headphones sold to summarize the data.
Good. So we have electronic shop store. This electronic shop sold headphones, right? In the first day, he sold.
Yeah.
The owner sold 9 headphones, 18, 7, 7, 10, 15. These values are in the table. They want us to find the mean number of the sold headphones, means the average, means the number in the middle, in the center. Measures of center, guys, your title, measure of center. Remember the circle? What we call the middle at the point, at the end, this point at the middle, we call it center, right? So it is similar thing.
Yeah.
When I say measure of the center, I'm talking about the number which is in the center of these numbers. For example, here, look, here we have these numbers, 86, 90, 72, 88. The mean was 84. 84, it's in the middle, means you will have numbers more than 84 and numbers less than 84, right? Here, 48 means you will have numbers in your data more than 48 and numbers less than 48. You won't have, for example, at these values, you won't have mean like 30. You won't have this because no number here is less than 30. You won't have number or mean like 90 in these data. Why? Because there is no number here more than 90. So the mean should be at the middle. You have numbers less than and numbers more than, okay? So here we expect that the mean of the headphones will be at the middle, means the number which we will find, we have numbers here less than and numbers more than of it because it's in the middle, right? So let's find the mean now. The mean of the headphones, mister, how we find it?
We'll put the sum over the number of the values.
Good. The sum means you will add the total, So 9 plus 18 plus 7 plus 7 plus 10 plus 15 over how many data we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Equal. Let's add يا ينال أنا وياك يلا. 9 plus 18, 27, right?
27.
Plus 7, 34. Plus 7,
34.
41. Plus 10, 51.
41.
Plus 10, 61. Plus 5, 66, right?
66.
66 over 6. 66 divided by 6, how much?
11.
11. So 11 what? Headphones. So the average of these numbers of headphones is 11 headphones. And notice that the 11, it's kind of the middle. You have numbers less than 11, like 7s and 10, and you have 9, and you have numbers more than 11, like 15 and 18, right? This is the check, guys. Thank you, Yanal. Now, this is the idea, guys. How to find the mean? We add the numbers and divide on the number of the numbers, okay? Add the values and divide on the number of the values. This is how we find the mean. Now, this is the first idea of the mean. The first idea is I gave you, or the question gave you the data, all the data, full data, and the question wants from you to find the mean. This is the first idea. The second idea is that the question will give you the mean. The mean is given, and we have missing data here. We need to find it. Again, this is the first data. The first data that the question give you the values, and the question wants from you to find the mean. This is the first idea. The second idea, that the question will give you the mean, and you have missing value here. You need to find it. Let's take this example and try to copy it, guys. Try to copy it. Try to copy this example in your copybook or extra paper so you study it later. Now let's read this example together here slowly and understand it very well. If the mean of the following values is 15, so the mean is given, how much? 15. Again, read the question. If the mean of the following values, these are the values, is how much? 15. So the mean is given. The mean equals 15, given. They don't want from you to find the mean. But let's take a look to the values here. We have 11, 14, 13, 15, and m, missing value. The question wants you to find the missing value, which is what here? M. So here, the wanted from the question is the value of m. What's m? Now, to find the value of m, what we will do, guys, we will apply the formula, right? Remember when in the parallelogram, when I gave you the area, I said 10. The base, we said 2. Find the height. What you do, you write the formula, BH, then you apply, Mshek. We'll do the same here, but with extra step. So here to find the missing value and given the mean, so I will take the formula of the mean and apply it. So here, the first step, I will apply the formula of the mean equal. Focus, guys, please. Focus. The mean, we said, it is the addition or the sum of the values, including m. M is a value. We need to find it. So how many values we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the mean equal 11 plus 14 plus 13 plus 15 plus the missing value. Over how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So I did nothing. I just applied the formula. That's all. Now our steps. The first step is the mean is given. So I'll put it is value. Replace the value of the mean. So the mean is 15. Under the mean, I will write 15. And here what I will do, guys, I will add these numbers. These numbers, they are known numbers. So I can add them. I will make them one number. So I will add these numbers. 11 plus 14, 25. 25 plus 13, 25. With 13 or 15, right? So here we have 8 with 5, 13. We have 3, 4, 5, 53. So we have here 53, 11 plus 14 plus 13 plus 15, 53. Don't forget plus m. I cannot add them because m is unknown. I don't know it. Divided by the same number. So what I did here, guys, I just applied the formula. That's all. I wrote the formula, replace the mean by the given, and add the known numbers. And the unknown comes down. Now what I will do, we will remember the equations. The equations. We took one division equation, one step of division equation. Remember, guys, when we have something like 7 equal t over 4, how we solve it? We multiply both sides by the denominator of the variable or the divisor of the variable, which is 4. So if we have division, if you remember, we multiply by the divisor to cross it, right? So here what I will have, I have division equation. This is the variable. It has a connected number, leave it. But we have division on 5. So to solve it, I'll multiply both sides by the denominator, by the divisor. So here 15 equal 53 plus m over 5. Multiply both sides with 5. We did that where? In the division equation, one step, remember? So here, simply you cross the 5s. You cross the 5s. What is still here, guys? 53 plus m. It comes down. 53 plus m. And here, you multiply 15 multiply 5. 15 multiply 5 is 75. Type. What's this? What's this? This also we take it and we call it addition equation. Remember? How we solve it? We said if we have addition, we do subtraction with the connected number. What's the connected number? It is the number which is added or subtracted with the variable, which is here what? 53. We did division equation, multiply both sides. Now, also we did addition equation, subtract in both sides. Remember? One step, we took it. Now we rewrite the equation 75 equal 53 plus m, and I will subtract with both sides 53. These are gone. 53 minus 53 is 0. Still the value of m alone equal, subtract 75 minus 53, it is 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, command 2. So m equal what? 22. I just want to check the addition here. Give me a second. 11 plus 14 plus 13 plus 15. It is 53, yes. So here, m is 22. M is 22. This is how we find missing number, okay? Let's take example 2. Example 2. Example 2, guys. Amr,
Yes, mister.
do you understand it, ya Amr?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to example 2, page. Which page you have?
552.
وين يا زلمه؟ هي. يلا 552, guys. Example 2. Read.
The number of messages Alex sent on her phone each month for the past 5 months were 494,
واحدة
502,
لحظة واحدة. The first number is
494,
494 and بسرعة.
102,
نعم
502,
502 and
406,
486.
86,
Then
690,
690. Then
478,
478. Then
532.
532. Right?
Yeah.
هذول ال given values, right?
Yes.
I'll repeat them. 494, 502, 486, 690, 478, 532. Continue.
How many messages did
لا
Alex
يا
send?
ابني يا ابني لا هذا ايش هذا؟ This is not a value. This is what?
The number of messages.
يا ابني read the
Give me-
question again. الله يسعدك. ركز حبيبي الله يسعدك. ركز وانت بتقرا. يلا read again.
The number of messages Alex sent on her phone each month for the past 5 months were
Good.
490.
The number. لحظة شوي يا حبيبي لحظة. افهم ال question. The number of the messages in the past 5 months. How many months here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. كيف 5 months? ها؟ مش لازم نفهم ال question?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5. What's this number? هذا النمبر ايش هو؟
The mean. Or
The mean. Suppose that the mean ها شفت هاد؟ هذا مش value، هذا ايش؟
the mean.
the mean يا ابني. يلا suppose that the mean, focus guys, of how many months? The mean of how many months?
6.
Of 6 months, focus guys, is how much?
532.
Messages. Got it?
Yeah.
Focus now. Now the given are the number of the messages in 5 months. Got it?
Yeah.
And the mean of how many months? 6 months. So they gave me the number of the messages for 5 months, and they gave me the mean of 6 months, right?
Right.
Now read the question. Continue.
How many messages did Alex send during the 6th month?
Month 1 given, month 2 given, month 3 given, month 4 given, month 5 given, but month 6 is not given. Got it? So what I will
Yeah.
call it?
S.
S, K, L, M, N, any variable. It is unknown. So here I will call it T. Hello? What's T?
Okay.
T is the number of the messages in the sixth month. Got it? So you need to understand the question, guys. Don't just read and read وتحطوا هيك النمبرز فوق بعض وتعملوا سلطة. بزبطش. You need to read the question slowly and focus on what you are reading. Again, the given is the number of the messages in 5 months and the mean for 6 months. So, and they want from us to find the number of the messages in the 6 months. It's unknown. Do you understand the question, Yabni?
Yeah.
Yeah. What we do? We will start with what?
The mean.
Yeah, the mean equal, the formula you mean, right?
Yeah, the formula.
Yeah, the mean equal. What we will do, tell me.
We will add the sum 494 plus.
We will add, مش we will add the sum. هذا غلط اللي بتحكيه. The sum, look here يا ابني. This is addition process, right? Up. Okay. This 336, what we call it?
The mean.
لا. هاد ايش اسمه؟
Numerator.
ماشي. هاد اسمه the sum. هذا answer of the addition. Got it?
Yeah.
So when I say the sum means the answer of the addition. When I say product, the answer of multiplication and go on. Got it? So here we will find the sum, which is the answer of the addition of these numbers, right? Including T, the 6 months. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here what I will write, I will add 494 plus 502 plus 486 plus 690 plus 478 plus mean
T.
T. Because the mean for the 6 months, I have 5 and missing 1. Divided by how much? 5 or 6?
5. Yeah, it will be
how many
6.
values? How many values we have, ya Habibi? How many values?
6.
6 values. Given 5 and wanted 1. How many values?
6.
ما تركز مالنا لسه ما صمنا. Right? Divided by what? By 6, not 5. Now what's the next step يا عم؟ شو عمل؟
We will add. We will get the sum of here. The add. The added
ايوه،
numbers.
وهذا ايش اعمل فيه هذا؟ ايش ابيعه؟ ايش اعمل فيه هذا المين انا؟
I will put instead of it 532.
This is what you need to say يا ابني. You need to say that we replace the mean by the given value. Not add. Add what? I cannot add. I have missing number here. ركز يا ابني ركز. So here first step you replace the mean by the given answer here. Given 532 equal. Now you will add the known numbers. These numbers are the known numbers. You add them. And this missing value comes down. You cannot add it with m, right?
Yeah.
So let's add these numbers using a calculator to what? To save time. Yeah, 494 plus 502 plus 486 plus 690. Okay, plus 478 equal to 650 plus mean
plus 532
plus t يا ابني. لا اله الا الله يا ابني. ال 532 هذه ارحمني، هذه المين ملهاش دخل فيهم، ملهاش. هذه ما إلها دخل في هذولا. يا ابني انت مالك؟ ركز معي الله يسعدك. ال 532 this is what's this؟ هذه ايش؟ هذه مين؟ ايش دخلها بهذولا؟ ليش تعمل لها اد معهم؟ انت فاهم ولا لا؟
Yeah.
We add the known values هذول. هذا مين؟ ملوش دخل، تحت المين ولحاله، انساه. Got it؟
Yeah.
Over
6.
So what I did here, guys, I replaced the mean by the given value and I added the known numbers with the missing value down. I cannot add here because I have unknown value. Now here what we call this division equation, right, mister?
Yeah.
How we solve it?
We'll multiply by 6 in both sides.
Good. So we multiply by 6 in both sides. Now the 6's are gone. And here do multiply. What I still have here? This expression comes down to 50 plus t equal. And here make multiply. 532 multiply 6 normally. 532 multiply 6 is a 3192. 3192. Got it? Now, what's this, Yabni? What's this?
Addition equation.
How we solve it?
We will subtract.
Subtract what?
Subtract 260 by 2650 on both sides.
Yeah. So we subtract 2650. Subtract 2650, right? These are gone. Still what here? T. The wanted. Equal, subtract normally. 3192 minus 2650. Hey, 3192 minus 2650 equal 542. So how many messages in the 6th month? How many messages in the 6th month?
542
messages. Do you understand يا ابني؟
Yeah.
لا تتخربط. اقرأ هذا الاكزامبل، عيده مرة ثانية، فهمت؟
Okay.
Study it very well. So here, guys, we took two ideas for the mean. The first idea is how to find the mean. بعطيك numbers، طلع المين، add, divide، خلصنا. The second idea is the mean is given, but there is missing value. You need to find it. And you need to read the question carefully to understand what's given, what's wanted, what's this number for. Don't just put numbers over each other. Focus, focus. This is example 2, page 552. We have check. If you see the book, guys, he used the line plots, a lot of things, and here the answer down, 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 it is what? 542. But I did it in another way, depending on the equations which we did before. This is the way which I want. Now, I want from you to do the check, guys. See the check?
Yeah.
All of you guys, take a look to the check, page 554. Do it as homework, the check, Do it as homework, okay? See the table, the mean is given in your question, up, the mean is given. And here there is, at the end, there is unknown value, which is D. So you need to find the missing value D, depending on using the same way. So try to do it, and in next period, we will finish this lesson. We will find the other measure of center. This is, we call it the mean. The other measure of center, we call it the median. So in the next class, we will start with check of example 2 and continue, okay? That's all for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. If you don't, remove your hands quickly, please. إبراهيم وإياد ونجم.
Mr. In example 2.
احكي يا ابني احكي لا تسكت. يلا.
In example 2, when we make the divide of the equation, we multiply 6 both sides, and we multiply by 6 by 200 to 2650.
لا يا ابني. Here.
Only we will multiply by 532.
Yes يا ابني. The sixes here are gone. The 6 up and down are gone. مش هيك تعلمنا؟
Yes.
بس the 6s are gone. Here you multiply, yes, but here you cross them.
Okay. Mister, how did you get the 6 and the 5?
يا ابني شيء 605 ما في 605 هون.
You're writing 2650.
طيب هذه
2650
not 605 هذه. We add these numbers يا ابني. Add these numbers. Add them. What's the answer of them? 2650.
Over 6. How did you get the 6?
The 6, how many values we have?
Okay.
We have 5 given values and the 6th one unknown. Read the question. Read the question.
مستر عاد أنا سؤالي معقول مستر. مستر نبعت لك ولا لا؟